So now that we've built the route, you can save the route as well and edit it, give it a name and so forth. So we'll just hit the stop navigation button, which is this red button here. And now the system asks if you'd like to save this active route. We'll go ahead and select yes. So you can see it's saved it as route as saved as number 1. So what we want to do then is go into info, routes and auto guidance. So you can see route number 1 here that we just saved. And then we go into review, edit, route, and then we can edit the name. So we'll punch a new name in, Morden, done. So if you want to navigate the same route again in the future, you simply go to info, routes and auto guidance. There's Morden route that we just saved, that we just created and saved, so we can go through and select that again in the future.